The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost clicked out of it. I think we're gonna keep going down. That would be clean. It will fall all the way here. Boom! Oh! Oh my god! It breaks. We're good. What it do? What it do? What's good, y'all? It's Tuesday. See what we gonna do today. Let's see what we're gonna do today. I'm already up 775 on these 3 accounts here for the morning. So we will see what happens. I like to see this thing actually kind of pop up. If we can get above 2025, I see this going all the way up to like 25,100. That would be a target. Like 72 might give a little bit of resistance. 70 to 80. But otherwise, yeah. Yeah, 70 to 80-ish. 80, 85, somewhere around there. But if we can get all the way up, I mean, 100 would be target, and then if we get above that, we get above like 110, I think we're going to take out the hive of 150. But everything is looking pretty bully right now. Still got 2 minutes. Sit back, relax. I have all my targets marked up for top side. And a couple marked out for the bottom. I like to see more upside than the downside. But we will see. See what the market gives us at the open. $880 could be a stop. 830 is London. It's the low right down here. $938 is the 4-hour low. Yeah, right here. I already have it marked. Got about a minute. See what it gives us. I'll be trying to scalp something real fast on this account because I'm going in heavy on it. I need looking for like a 5K target. We'll see what happens. 30 seconds. This is looking like it wants to pop it up though on the open. So I'm gonna say above this. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. 5 seconds. See if we pop it up. I wanted a little bit more off of that. Come on. All right. I'll take that. 2,400, halfway there. It still has room to go yet. Got hella room to go. This could be an area of resistance here. Now let's see if we can pop through the 70 maybe. We would keep going, but area of interest right there. Even get up to the 80 maybe, but we might stall out a little bit here. Still watching this here. Still looking to see if we could pop up some more. I'd like to see it get over that 70. There we go. Okay, there's 70s. See if we push through this. Still in on that. I'm just gonna take it. Fine. Good open. This might keep going. Possibly. 76 test. 100 would be a big target. We're at this 80 zone right here. Like I said, around 70, 80, 85, somewhere's around here. Like it tapped it. We tapped that 80. This was big area of resistance support. So beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh, wee. Oh, wee. I called the top on that one. Oh my God. Oh my God. How do I do it? Chad, how do I do it? Cheese. Cheese. How do I do it? Just called the top. What did it get to actually? Excuse me. It got to 81. I was calling for around 80 on the open. That's what I was calling for. 80 on the open. Oh, wait. It tapped 81 and dumped it. Hard, bro. Hard. Oh, 10, 20. Shit. $75 point dump. 75 point dump off the target I called at the open. Shit, we made 2,400 times 3 on that bitch though. 25 is a big area. I think we break 25. We can come back touchdown here. At 15 minutes looking shitty. Holy. The 30-minute is pulling it down also. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. PX falling down. This is holding it down. And a minute left on the 5, so let's see what it wants to do. You're holding it under here, but a couple seconds left on this 5 minute. This could start to push it up. So we will see what happens here. We're gonna hold this 25, pop it back up here, or we're gonna lose the 25 and dump it. Could get back over this here. It could get aggressive up. This could get it back up to, I mean, either the full length or at least to that 60 area, right around here. See, this is holding it here though. SPX also. It is holding it down here. If it starts to break this, it's gonna go. But oh, there it's losing 25. Oh, tap the open. Ooh, we might lose the open. We lose the open, it's a done deal. SPX is falling. It's testing. Could be testing down here. Starting to lose that open. Ooh. Oh, it closed under. There's open. Are we gonna lose it? SPS is at SPS is at a move here. Gotta hold it. I like to see SPX hold above this like 72 area. We lose that, it's gonna dump. And Q could get down to like 960 to 940. 960, 940. I think it's gonna come tap 60. Here it comes. There's the 60. SPX is losing it. This might fall. Ooh, SPX is trying to regain. It got back into it so far. 960. Look at that. 960. It bounced right from it. Look at that massive bounce up. Holy. It's probably going for these wicks now. That 960 bopped it. Like I was saying, I call that again, yo. Called it again. I called the top at 80, dump. Called it at 60, pump. Massive pumps up. Crazy talk. This will probably, if we can take these wicks out, this will go. All right. What's mid? At 20, huh? I'll just use this one. And then obviously, pretty crazy that this is 76 and top side of orb. All right, we got orb. Taking these wicks out. SPS is not there yet, though. Testing midline on SPX. Cannot get above it yet. SPS breaks orb. I think it could get to like 89. Yeah. Or not. Yeah. 90 air. Yeah, 90 on SPX. We tried to break up, but it rejected it. This is previous day high, right? I wish Trader Bay could like I can mark these, like type them. He was in midline. SBS rejected from midline. Back to the 25 and pump it from it. That is just the range right now. Bang, bang. Got back above midline on NQ here, but SPH is weak as a motherfucker. See if we hold up here now. Maybe SPX is at midline again. Five minutes holding it up so far on NQ. See what happens here. This is just a big area. I mean, really, between this 24 and 43, it's just a big range in here. I mean, if you're gonna play it, you just gotta take your profits. SBS keeps failing midline. Left a little gap. So did NQ. NQ is losing mid. Losing mid. What is SPS gonna do here? Regaining. Take a little bit more there. That's another 300 on times 4. Took that little scalp long. I'm breaking midline up to the top again. $325 times 4 on those accounts. Quick scalp. Quick scalp. Quick little scalpy. You're just in a range. You can't hold on to this shit. If you're gonna play it, you gotta scalp it. Back to the bottom of this range. Could test a long around here at around the 25. See if we're gonna lose it here and maybe fall down some more, but maybe we hold it. Come right back up. Couple seconds left. Oh, we're losing the 25. Let's see if we lose it now. Yep. Trying. It's rejecting from the open though. I mean, it's just a huge range. It's like 100-point range that you're just playing in. We're holding the open so far, so I mean, we start losing the open, it's gonna go back down to orb. ES did not go fill that gap up top. It left that sit there for now. Ten seconds. See what this next candle brings us. Starting to lose the open. Trying. $30 seconds on here. 3 minutes on the 5 yet. 5 is looking pretty bearish. It's going for that wick fill on the 5. This on the 1 minute is a big wick on the 5. That's what she's filling right now. Hourly. Daily is just gone nowhere. Probably gonna SPX is testing orb. SPS is breaking orb. Let's see if NQ can hold it. NQ is holding it so far. SPS is trying to get back inside. See if we can reclaim the daily, the open. 10 seconds. NQ's trying to get above the open. SPS reclaimed orb. I want to see if we can reclaim that open and pop it back up. Reclaim the open. Come on, get above that. Cannot reclaim the open. Could come right back down. And Q is losing orb. Reclaiming orb. Might have time this long. See if we can stay above. See if we're gonna get this pop up. That one did not do it. Might continue to fall if NQ can break it here, but here she goes. I'm gonna take that short. Let's see if we keep going. Okay, I did get out of the short. I went for the long again here. Let's see if we can test orb. We break above orb. I'm going to scale in. I want to see if we could break above it though. Took that. There we go. Took it out. Took it out. Woo. Whew. Save those accounts. Holy shit. Because I was in this long right here. I was the tap of here. I was in this long. I wanted to see if we could break this to come back up into here, this area. But this one started to cook me. And then this candle came and I got out. This one I took a short a little bit here. Came back, almost backed up to my entry, got out, flipped it long, and took it up. It was home sales. Home sales was this big dump. Home sales is what? Damn near cooked me. Home sales damn near kicked me. $92. $92 and $80. Two little interest areas, and 906 would be another little area of interest right there. See if we can reclaim orb here. SPX is reclaiming. Yeah, SPX is really reclaiming. This might start to pop it back up to midline 25 area. Want to see if NQ can get above. It's looking like it wants to. XPX regained. This might start to pop back up here. Yep, there she went. Didn't click it. I wanted to right back to the 25. If it takes that, then midline. Let's see if we can reclaim, stay above. I took that long here. I want to see if we can break 25 and go back to midline. But we got to stay above that open. Let's see here. SPX is ripping. SPX is ripping for that gap fill that left up top. I want to see if NQ can start to fly back up here. Come on. I'll add in if we get above 25,000. Come on. Stay above. Oh. Trying to lose that open. See if we can hold. Right there's that open. I want to see if we can hold that or not. Otherwise, we might go back down the orb, just like that. See if it holds here. I should have actually added in right at the top, or the tap of the bottom orb. I should have added right there. Should have added at the tap of bottom side orb. But now it might dump. Yeah, it's just trying to push it down here. Now this is gonna go all the way back down. Gonna watch here, see if reclaim orb. Still got 15 seconds. This might go all the way down to the bottom. Just like that. Right down to the bottom. Let's see if it holds here, maybe. Otherwise, it's gonna keep going. Yeah, it's gonna keep going. This could keep falling here. Gonna watch. Kind of like along from here. This is kind of holding it. Let's see what this one does. See if we can get back above 30 or this is gonna dump. Yeah, it's gonna continue to dump. Uh, 95 would be target for the short. Looks like she's just gonna dump right down to it. Yep. This might just keep going, yeah, too. This might just keep going here. Looks like it wants to keep dumping. This will probably give... If we give up the low again, it's going to dump pretty hard. Let's see if we can maybe pop this thing back up. You know, maybe. XPS left a little gap. XPF left a bunch of little gaps. See if we get back above that 30. This here. If we get above this here, it might go back to bottom side, or possibly see if SPS can come fill these gaps. We'll see. Couple seconds. This is a brand new 5 minutes, so maybe it starts to rip it back up, but I don't know. We'll see. Uh, uh, what are you gonna do? You gonna dump it? Looks like it wants to dump more. Looks like it wants to. The 1 minute's trying to round it back up, though. It might give one more push here down. Looks like it wants to. Trying. It's trying. Q's holding. SPS is holding, but it's not looking good. Not looking good. We'll see. It's holding it, so we'll see. A couple seconds. See what the next candle does. I'm gonna get an up move, or are we gonna dump it? See if we get that up move here. See if we can roll it. It got above 30. So let's see if we can get back to bottom side, or maybe. Oh. Rejecting. See if we can get it up there. We gotta get above this 30, and I want to see SPS if we can come for some of these gap fills up top here. Couple seconds left to see if we close above 30. It'll be good to go for a pump up. We close above 30, but we gotta give a pump up. It's not pumping up. See, it's trying to hold it here. SPS going for its first gap fill. I want to see if we push through this, and IQ might bring this back up. Couple seconds left. This is not pushing through like I wanted to see. If I want to take a long on it, to be quite honest with you, but SPS is not trying to fill that gap yet. Nope. Nope. Could not get it up there. I wanted to see it break. I wanted to see a hold here. I mean, 30, I really had tried it and it finally failed it. SPS could not go for that gap fill up there. Bunch of gaps up top for SPX to come reclaim. Could keep dumping. Might keep falling. Really want to see this come up for some gap fills on SPS. It doesn't have to, but all right, SPS is trying for it again. Let's see if NQ can get back above this 30 and 40 area. Maybe I attempt the long again. He was getting an aggressive up here. SPS could be trying, the 5's trying to bring it. I just don't know how strong NQ is really going to be. We might get a pop back up here, but we got to break above the 40, 30 to 40. I want to see SPS come for these gaps, maybe. Otherwise, we're just going to roll it over. Testing that 30 again. SPX filling 1. I want to see it push through that, though. "15 seconds. We cannot get above here. I don't know. Watching SPX here. It filled one of the gaps, but it could not, like, really push through it aggressive. Let's see what it does here. Now it's trying to push now, but it's trying to push. Now it's pushing. I want to see if we could push back up here pretty good. Now we're pushing pretty decent. It took one of them. I want to see if we can keep pushing this up. I want to see we keep pushing this up. We got more room up top to see if NQ can break above orb here, though. Let's see if NQ can break above orb. See if we can break above orb. I am in on this long. I want to see it break here. I want to see SPS start moving. It's might get aggressive if we can bust up through. Come on. SPS trying to fill that second gap. I want to see a pump up here. Come on. Break through it aggressively. Break in on SPS. Come on, NQ. There goes NQ. There goes NQ. I might just take it here. 600, almost 700 times 5. I still have room up above. I was going to scale in on this break of 70 right here. I would have been scaled in on that if we would have been rolling yet. I got one more target on SPX. This is what I just took here. 700 times 5. So I might be done on those. I might just concentrate on these here now. Still got targets up top yet. SPS could be going for it. SPS is breaking here. This, I want to see if NQ can break the daily open. Yeah, this is still cooking. This is still cooking it up. I'm going to see if we can get to the 25 maybe. I might be too late on this, but let's see. I want to see a pop back up from here. I want to see if we can pop it back up from here, especially on SPS, but that might have been the move. I might be late on it. We'll see. I want to see if we can get the 25. SPS is kind of holding it down a little bit. I got one more target on SPX up top yet. So let's see if we can get there. It's going for it. This might get NQ to 25. There, it hit it. I'm going to take it. I'm just taking it. I'm up 3,000 on those now. Let's go. SPX just filled the last gap. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. It could possibly short from here now. It's a possibly could short from here now. I'm going to see if I can get a quick short in. We're back under the daily open. I'm going to see if I can get back down to bottom side orb here. SPX tapped mid. NQ breaks 25. This, ooh, SPS is starting to break inside. Uh-oh. I want to see if we can pop this back down here. Come fill this wick would be bearish. We're coming for that wick. This is bearish. Let's see it fill that wick up. Take that wick out. Come on. I want to see it take the wick and follow the bottom side orb. Follow the bottom side orb. Take that wick. Take it out. Take it out. There, it took it. Come on, get down to orb now. Let me see an orb tap. Come on. Get down, stay under. I like to see it close below this previous wick here. If it ate it all up, but we got to give a push. It's not pushing it. Let's see if we close below a couple seconds. Not going to. I'm going to close below the open though. It ate the wick, but I wanted to see it push it. It did not do it. This could possibly continue it down here. That's a nice rejection from the 25 area. SPS is trying to reject the midline, but if we start breaking it, it's going to be a bad news for me. I might have to get out of this. I'm going to get out of it. Going to get out. NQ is breaking. Let's take the long then. SPX is rolling. NQ could be coming up here. Let's see. See if we keep this rolling in this long here now. I wanted to see the orb tap before they pumped up, but we got back above 25. Next target would be midline. If it breaks this, next target's up here. We're tapping mid now. We should push through this. This should push through. This should push through here. Especially if SPX gives it up a little bit more. SPX needs to push a little bit more and NQ is good to go. Trying to push this through mid here. I want to see SPX break 91. And NQ will get back up to the top here, up top here. Closed above. Now I see a continuation up. XPS could not buzz through my target yet, so see here. I think he's trying to hold up. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. SPS is trying to come back down to tap mid. I want to see if we can hold. Couple 5 seconds left on this. Stay above the open. Stay above the 25 for a continuation back up. What's this candle going to do? I want to see if we can bring this thing back up. I want to see this pop up here. Up in here. SPX has to break that 91. SPX breaks 91. NQ is gonna good to go. SPS is tapping it. Can we break through it? Breaks through it. It's gonna get aggressive. Rejecting so far. 15 seconds. Is still rejecting it. I want to see this break aggressively. Still rejecting from it. Still rejecting from it. I'm about to get out of it. Rejected from there. Could not get above on SPX. I want to see if SPX starts breaking midline, I'll enter a short. We will see. I want to be in this long, but I just couldn't risk this thing going back down to orb. Damn it, damn it, damn. Couple seconds. This is still holding it above, too. See if this Wiccan flips. I might have to retry it. Retrying it. It's getting aggressive here now. Let's see if we can push. SPS is tapping it again. I'm anticipating the break of this. There it starts to go. I want to see it all the way to see if we can really push this thing. SPX is moving it. I want to see NQ come up into here. I'd love to see this thing start breaking up top here, but we'll see what happens. Told you once SPS broke that 91 and Q breaks midline, that it's gonna get aggressive up. It got aggressive. I wanted to see the long to begin with, but that quick pull down scared me out of it. Couple seconds. This was target, but let's see what happens here. This is target up here. I want to see if we could push through it all the way to the top side, but we'll see. I don't know if it's going to do that. We will see. I mean, we could get all the way up to like 110. It'd be sweet. But starting to do a retest of midline here. This could push it back down. This was previous. All those wicks. So this could push it back down. Yep. All right, we got like 10 seconds. I want to see this hold above midline here, or if we're gonna lose it. See if we can eat it back up. See if we can 3-bar this up on SPX here. Still holding this long. SPX is trying to 3-bar up. Come on, NQ, get aggressive now. SPS is moving it. SPS is 3-bar. Let's see if SPS can break above this 96. This is daily open, 4-hour open, London open. We could break that. SPS will go up for top side. I want to see if NQ can start getting aggressive now. Breaking. Come on, get aggressive, NQ. SPS is trying to go for topside orb here. Come on, NQ. Let's make this move. Make the move up. Give me a pump. Oh, I don't want to see it hold off here. Come on now. Get up. SPS is... And Q is staying strong now. There goes XPS is starting to flip it back up. This is good. See if we can keep pushing here now. Still holding this long. Up 2,000. I would see it break. Break above. Rejecting from that spot. I want to see if SPS can break out of orb. Up to like 806 on SPX. NQ could really rip here. There it goes. Let's see it keep pushing. Give me a little more on this. Come on. Give me a little more on this. SPS is broken out. Come on. Keep going. Keep this pushing up. Really wanted to see it up here more. Floating around 3,000. Don't give me a pull down. Stay back up there. Couple seconds. So here we go. Let's see what this one does. Give me a follow through. Come on, give me a follow through. Follow through. No, not a dump. Let me get up. This might still hold it up, but SPS is trying to break back into orb. I'll get back into it if it wants to try to keep pushing it. Probably should have just held on to it. Alright, I'm gonna reattempt it. Looks like it wants to continue it. I should have just held on to it, but 5 seconds. 3-bar up, it could be incoming here. Let's see if this can push up here. Up to orb top. Come on. Push through. Give me the 3-bar up. Up the top side. Give it to me. Give it to me. Up the top. Up to the top. Come on. This is a big area that I could reject from, though. I want to see it pushed right to topside orb. So I'm really looking for here. Come on. Get up. Get up. 10 seconds. Stay up here. Give me that topside orb. Give me that play. Come on. There we go. Come on, get there, get there. It's almost got there too. It almost got to topside. I could reject from it now. It was too fast of a wick up. This could reject from it. See if we can hold up here. If we can close above this previous candle, that's really good for us. We got 20 seconds yet. Ten seconds. Oh, stay up there. Stay up there. A couple seconds left. I really like to see it close above, but that's okay. Okay, but we got to give a follow through back up. Little doji at the top here. It's a little cooldown. Let's see what it's going to do. Give me that push up. Give me that high. I want to see New York highs. Come on. Yeah, just close on man. This has got to give that push. Come on, give me that push. Break the high. That's what I'm anticipating. I want to see it take the high. Kind of stalling out a little bit, but I want to see it push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, it's so close, so close. Get there, get there. Should have just taken that there. Still anticipating the break of it here. Really anticipating the break of it, but holding it up. Let's see it. Come on, break, break, break. Come on. Come on. There's the break. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on, get it up a little bit more. I might just close this. Take that order. It took it. Took the order, baby. Let's go. 48, almost 4,900 on that move up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, because of fees and shit. Yeah. Let's see. We might drop down a little. I'm gonna see if I can hit out like 150 on this quick. Nailed that long though. Nailed that long though. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Mm, 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 mm. Beautiful long, beautiful, beautiful. Ooh. That goes sun. Wash away the rain. Black goes sun. Won't come. We're at previous 4-hour high. At 110 area. This is like 4-hour high. This could keep going now. This could continue it up here. Dang, dang, dang. If I would have held on my other accounts, ooh wee, ooh wee. But I didn't. I closed them out. 600 profit times 5. That's okay. We'll come back tomorrow and finish those ones up right quick. Let's see if we can bang out like 125 right quick. See if we can reject from here. Or we keep pushing. Pushing for the highs. All the way up. For the market high. That would be Asia high sitting up here. It could be going for it, but I don't know. I don't need a big move here. I just want something real small. Just a quick like 8 point move is all I really need. I might try to short it for a little quick scalp. As soon as I said that, it popped it down just enough, too. I would have got it. This might continue it now. It failed it. This could continue it back up yet. Yep. See if we can bust up a little bit. Oh, a tweezer topped it. Okay. Push back down to orb. Give me an orb tap. See if I can get an orb tap, or this is gonna pop it right back up again. And school me twice. They're gonna school me twice. Oh, it's holding this right here at that 90. I want to see an orb tap. See if I can get an orb tap. Let's see it break down a little bit. I think we're going to eject from the top up here for a little bit. Give me a nice healthy pullback. I want to see more of a pullback than that though. Get it down there. Just trying to round it back up a little here. I want to see an orb tap. Come on. Give me that orb tap. Ah! I closed out a little too soon here. I'm gonna see if it pops up a little here. I want to see this hold it up here. This might continue to drop though. I just want a little scalp if I can get it. I don't know if it's gonna pop this back up. This might continue it to pull back some more yet. I just want a little pop up, little 10 point. That's all I'm really looking for. Almost there. There it is. That's all I needed right there. We got it. We locked it in, chat. 5 grand times 3 for the day. Nailed it. Nailed it. Well, because of fees. But we did get the 5. Because of fees. Yeah. Alrighty, might call it here. I got nothing else to trade. I mean, I could continue to trade it, but that'd be over trading. I don't want to over trade. I'm green on it, so I don't need shit else. I'm going to take it easy on my pro accounts. I'm going to build those up. If I would have held this whole entire way from down here, I was in down here. All right, well, appreciate y'all coming in. Much love. God bless. We'll be back tomorrow. Let's keep it going. Appreciate y'all coming in. Much love.